Welcome back to Auto's Car, the place where the legends of the road come alive. Today we're diving into the golden age of American pickup trucks and shining the spotlight on a true icon, the Chevrolet 3100 pickup from the 1940s to 1950s. This is not just a truck, it's a symbol of post-war America, blending tough utility with classic design in a way that still turns heads today. The Chevrolet 3100 series was introduced in 1947 as part of Chevy's Advance design line, the first major redesign after World War II. Right from the beginning, the 3100 stood out with its rounded fenders, smooth lines, and a wide front grille that made it look both rugged and refined. It quickly became the go-to truck for farmers, small business owners, and everyday drivers who needed something reliable and stylish. Under the hood, the 1947 to 1955 Chevy 3100 came with a sturdy inline six-cylinder engine known as the Thriftmaster. It wasn't built for speed, but it had enough torque to get the job done, whether hauling hay or lumber. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this truck offered a raw, mechanical driving experience that modern vehicles can't replicate. Inside the cab, things were simple yet practical. A steel dashboard, durable vinyl bench seat, and large steering wheel gave it a utilitarian feel. But that simplicity is exactly what makes the 3100 so timeless. It was made to work hard and last long, and that's why so many of them are still on the road today. By the early 1950s, Chevrolet made subtle updates, adding more chrome, a better suspension, and optional upgrades like a 4-speed gearbox and deluxe trim. These touches made the 3100 even more appealing, and by 1955 it had already solidified its place in American car history. Today, collectors and restorers everywhere hunt for these trucks. Whether fully restored or left with a patina finish, the Chevrolet 3100 is now more than just a classic pickup, it's a rolling piece of Americana. You'll see them at car shows, cruising down the highway, or even still working on farms that have trusted them for decades. The legacy of the Chevy 3100 lives on, not just because of its looks or engineering, but because of what it represents: strength, simplicity, and American craftsmanship at its finest.